About the author. Mr. John Oharenko is a veteran real estate financier, investor, author, and lecturer. Over his 4-decade career, John financed various types of income-producing real estate including apartments, industrial, retail, office, mixed-use, hospitality, and land ventures. He also personally invests in multifamily and commercial properties. John authored numerous books and hundreds of articles on real estate investing and finance. He lectures nationally, and has been quoted by the Wall Street Journal, Journal of Property Management, Appraisal Journal, the Chicago Tribune, the Chicago Sun-Times and the Los Angeles Times. John is a founding member of the Real Estate Capital Institute, an active member of the Urban Land Institute, and other commercial real estate trade groups. John holds a master's degree in real estate appraisal and investment analysis from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, and an undergraduate degree in business from DePaul University of Chicago. John's childhood experiences growing up in Chicago's inner city, attending military school, completing graduate real estate studies, and martial arts training, all have influenced his investment philosophy.
Thank you for listening to the sample audiobook. Full version available by purchasing on Amazon.com and other booksellers.